Hello, my name is Igor Suljagic, manager in tourism and writer of fiction and literature. And if you are first time on my YouTube channel, I recommend you to watch this introduction. Because I apologize if I'll be quick in explanation, because there are many useful facts from our website to share with you, and in the end of this video you can continue to watch second part of this introduction that I split in two parts to be easier to watch. First, this is of course our website, croatia-tourism-culture.com. It is obviously a website that links culture and tourism experience in Croatia, and this is also bilingual site, so everything that I will explain here in English can be found and read in Croatian language too, as you can see. And let's go first for geographic location where we are. Here it is Žumberak Nature Park in Croatia, 50 kilometers west from Zagreb, capital city of Croatia. Žumberak is placed among urban areas of Samobor and Jaska or Jastrebarsko and Krašić. So if you want to know something more about Žumberak, I recommend you to go to our site and go to subdomain tourism in Žumberak and then about Žumberak, because here about Žumberak you can find some interesting facts about Žumberak, and also you can find our precise GPS location to find us easier where we are. Also you can find here some highway and local roads to make easier way to find us from direction of Zagreb and Karlovac as bigger cities in surrounding areas. And here on this subdomain you can also find the beautiful pictures of nature of Žumberak. And on the same subdomain tourism in Žumberak there is another one that is very interesting for tourists, I bet, and this is of course gastronomy. Here you can find some interesting parts of our gastronomic offer for tourists, as well as recreation facilities for sports like table tennis, bowling, cycling. Here you can also see that pets are welcome here. Very good information for some tourists. And then let's go to the next subdomain, accommodation. Here you can find rooms, pictures of rooms of our Hostel Flores. It's good to know that Hostel Flores is also present on Facebook, so you can find us on Facebook. Just search for Hostel Flores in Croatia, because there are some other Hostel Flores in Latin American countries with the same name. And then you can see in the same subdomain price list. Also useful information about the prices in Croatian kuna. It is national currency in Croatia. And here is average exchange rate in Croatia, euro to kuna. It is very stable exchange rate with only minimal seasonal changes. So when you come as tourist in Croatia you can be sure about this exchange rate, and you can also contact us via our info mail, and you can also make here online reservation. So when you click here you can find what are the data we need from you to fill if you want to make online reservation as tourist in our hostel. And then it is one more important information to say, that payment is made on the arrival, so we don't ask from our tourists some money fee in advance. Next is cultural events. As we are a culture-oriented site, it's good to know that we can make for our groups of tourists literary and art workshops in our household. And then we go to the next subdomain, books of Žumberak writers. it's good to know that here among novelists you can find me. That's my picture, about 10 years younger than I'm now. And here there are some other, let's say, more important people from Žumberak history. This is one important historian from Žumberak, and this is one important linguist from Žumberak, because Žumberak is a region that gave many important people who made great impact on Croatian culture and science in last centuries. And as this region has a long history, what you can read, for example, on my personal blog, here it is, Igor Suljagić Blogspot, or you can just write Igor Suljagić Blogger, and there you can find my latest blogs from last month. I usually write about topics of culture and tourism connected with Žumberak, of course. And it is good to mention that Žumberak is a region that was not urbanized area, and so very precious location for archaeological sites, especially from medieval times, if someone is interested in archaeology. And there are many good places for excavation if you are interested for archaeology. So this is end of the first part. I thank you for listening and hope to see you in the next part. Bye.